Yogaschitta Vritti Nirodha. That's the Yoga Sutra 1.2. Namaste everyone, my name is Vasundhara Talware and let's look at the second sutra from the Yoga Sutras, which is Yogaschitta Vritti Nirodha. As we saw in our earlier sutra 1.1, that is Atha Yoganushāsanam, we understood the meaning of the word yoga. It is nothing but the integration of all that you are. Your mind, your body, your intellect, your spirit, every cell in your body functioning together means yoga. Integrity. What it really means is that union is the Sanskrit translation. Hence, yoga means bringing yourself together in integrity. You being the same outside as you are inside. So the second sutra takes us to understanding what is yoga. So yoga is Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Now what does the word Chitta mean? Chitta is loosely translated as mind. But that's not the case. It is a very unique and an in-depth Sanskrit word which means so many things, but we'll understand what it means in the yoga context. Chitta is a combination of three things. One is your manas, which is your mind. Second is your buddhi, which is your deep intellect. And the third is your ahankara, your ego. So these are the three basic ingredients that form your chitta. It's not just the mind as is loosely translated in today's day and age, especially in the Western world, because they fall short of words to replace a Sanskrit word. So just for our understanding, these are the three things: your mind, your intellect and your ego forms your chitta. The next word after chitta is vritti. Now what are the vrittis? There are 5 basic vrittis that our chitta has, which is very beautifully explained in the Yoga Sutras, which we'll see further ahead. But the vrittis are the fluctuations of your chitta. The fluctuations which are caused by something that we like, something we don't like, something we want more of, greed, anger, emotional disturbance, all these that disturb the balance of our chitta. That is the mind, intellect and ego. When the chitta is disturbed, it's called the vrittis. They are the vrittis that disturb your chitta. And the fourth word in this sutra is Nirodha. Yogaschitta Vritti Nirodha. Nirodha means annihilation or removal, discarding or taking care of these vrittis in your chitta. So what is yoga? The second sutra explains to us it is the annihilation or cessation of the fluctuations in your chitta, which is loosely translated as the mind, but we know that it's not just the mind, it is the buddhi, that is your intellect, and your ahankara, that is your ego. 3 things. So, Yogaschitta Vritti Nirodha. Once you start progressing on the path of yoga, the cessations in your mind get ceased, get deleted, addressed, annihilated, right? So hope this sutra has come handy and has explained a little bit further of what it means to be walking on the path of yoga. We'll see all the sutras coming up, 196 of them in every session of ours on every Monday. So watch out for my next video. Until then, I love you very much. If you've liked this video, please like, please subscribe and share it with your loved ones. Thank you.